Here today I wanted to show you a basic unboxing of TT Esports brown mechanical keyboard with brown switches. So here's the keyboard itself. In the box included has the instruction manual, little warranty card. But here's the keyboard itself. It's fairly heavy. It is mechanical. We have some rubber stops on the bottom here to prevent it from sliding. It also has its little foot so it can stand up with rubber grommets also at the bottom. In the back here we have 3 different ways you can run the cable, straight through the front, through each side, and again the little flip tabs. On the front side, here's the cable itself. It has 4 different functions to light up. If you hold down the function key and you light up the keyboard, it has 4 different intensities from low to high. I took off one of the keys in order to show you the switch. Let me turn it down so it doesn't affect the camera. So here's the brown switch. Like I said, it's a nice fluid motion. There's no taptic response once you click it, seeing how it is a brown one. So it is a little quieter than the blue switches. So it's a nice fluid motion. Like I said, to light it up, each key is lit up by an individual LED. So you hold the function and the F12 to increase the light. Also on this keyboard you have a locking switch to lock the windows key. So there you have it, and here's how it sounds if you're worried about the noise. So it's a great typing keyboard, seeing how it isn't so loud. But there it is, TT Sports POSEIDON keyboard with brown switches.